My real heart and bend is the financial freedom class, because financial freedom is 10 sessions. It will deal with your money, but it'll deal with your heart. It'll deal with your relationship with God. You will be convicted. You'll be encouraged. You'll be challenged. You'll laugh. You may even cry a little bit. But the truth is you'll come to revelation, because I'm going to give information that will bring you revelation, which will cause transformation. Because if you get your money right, or you get a chunk of money in, or you get all your bills paid off, and then you don't have your interior fixed, the real you's on the inside of you, and if that's not fixed, you're going to end up back in the same situation. So what I'm trying to do is bring the purpose or the call that God has on their life to clarity. Anybody that comes to the seminar, from the richest man to the poorest man, they will have greater clarity of God, why God's called them, what God's called them to, and what they're supposed to do at this phase or station or season of their life.